So this workshop bring not only this workshop itself, but also bring a lot of new experience, new knowledge to me, and especially learning from my colleagues from Vietnam, from Taiwan. It's also give a lot of insight for me to bring home. So overall, this is amazing experience.
What I admire ASEAN is work very persistently and resiliently in providing people with knowledge, the real scientific research paper. So I attend ASEAN monthly meeting and learn a lot about the scientific research. Normally in Vietnam, WinHub is a non-profit organization with more hands-on doing the model intervention. But when we joined the EASICO project, I learned a lot that theory, framework and scientific research paper is really important.
This workshop was very informative about the activities in the different countries for which there are representatives. There were specific initiatives, for example, relating to women-led corporations and on the ground, but there was also a lot of looking at techniques such as deep learning and big data, but to I think a lot of activities and projects in the world going forward. Well, I was very interested in the presentation by Dr. Lee on the use of the deep learning and big data in monitoring the waste management systems in the Republic of Korea, and the fact that they had managed to get private stakeholders as well as government involved. It looks like it's something that is quite comprehensive, and actually this workshop only gave us a small taster. I think there's a lot more information to find out about it.
I learned from your work, and I think the citizen science is the approach, the big approach you bring to the world. I think I can broaden this approach more efficacy in the future. And I'm so impressed with the IE, utilization IE in monitoring marine litter.
EASICO project is super good. So far, it's the best collaboration that we ever have in terms of like capacity building. Like we have a monthly seminar, and then the way that the Koreans working is very maybe stiff is not the proper word, but it's a very disciplined in terms of like reporting, transparency and everything. This is the best collaboration. So it's a pity that we have to end up this collaboration this year. But I was thinking like if we have like found a big enough source of donor, I would like to propose this EASICO collaboration to be continued.
The EASICO project's goal of bringing together a transboundary cooperation in terms of capacity development, in terms of research, in terms of the sharing of best practices and knowledge and ideas matches very well with our vision at PEMSI for healthy oceans, healthy people, healthy economies, looking for a more sustainable future for the coasts and oceans of the seas of East Asia. So the EASICO project has succeeded in providing that new information. We have already been able to take from previous years' capacity building workshops ideas and methodologies that we were able to adjust and discuss with local leaders in other cities and other towns not covered by this project. So those sorts of transferable knowledge, transferable ideas have already proven very useful for us in trying to build up more capacity throughout the region towards local solutions towards the global challenge of plastic.
감사합니다.
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 감사합니다.